What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Spell Token, which has pumped up quite a bit, guys. As you can see, 20% up in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go. Is it going to keep pumping over the coming hours and days, or is it going to drop back down in value? And mainly looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Spell Token go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over 1.4% in the last 24 hours. And yes, guys, we do have Spell Token as the third top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Coinbase. So looking at it a little bit closer, over the last hour, it has dropped just under 2% in the last hour itself. Over the last day, 20% up, as you can see, consistently gaining slow and steady increases in value. Over the week, 26%. Over the month, just about 1%. It's been very volatile. It's been up and down all over the place. It's even dropped over 30% earlier on in March and then peaked back up in value. It's been very volatile, but overall, it has managed to maintain its value, meaning just about 1% up in the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 130% in the last 24 hours, making it $130 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto earlier today and yesterday, only because of its pump up in value. So we are seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is one of the top gainers. So it's getting a lot more attention, a lot more hype, a lot more people are looking into the project, meaning we are going to see more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple at 0.007267. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.008616, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? The blue and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the negative direction, looking a little bit bearish, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Spell Token to have gone through a little bit of a drop in value. Again, nothing major, but I'm expecting it to drop down to just above 0.0008 cents in target towards the very end of the day today. However, that doesn't mean that it's not going to pump anymore. I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit more over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop down in value later on this afternoon, this evening, down to about 0.0008 cents. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got quite a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming week or so from Spell Token. So let's say towards the end of next week, so next weekend, we should essentially be seeing Spell Token trading at about its current price range where it is at the moment, but do expect it to be volatile. We are likely to see a pump, we are likely to see a drop in value up and down, just like how we saw it on the Coinbase website on the monthly chart. It's been up and down, but overall it has been maintaining its value, and that is what's likely to take place over the coming 7 to 8 days, maintaining its value, but it is going to be quite volatile. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, looking much more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, it's looking quite steep. Only reason is because of the pump that's been taking place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks it's going to carry on that way. Again, it may not essentially consistently be hitting green candles every day for the next couple of weeks, of course not, but the overall outcome from my point of view seems to be more on the positive side. So we should be heading to around the 0.001 cents over the next week and a half to 2 weeks, and potentially heading even higher than that over the coming weeks. So let's say, guys, by mid to late May 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Spell Token, potentially heading up to, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, but heading towards there is what I'm expecting by mid-year this year. But again, any major updates that come across that can have a major impact on the value of Spell Token, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Spell Token for the short term and the long term as well. But again, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, do expect dips in between. It's crypto, guys. You know, guys, how volatile cryptocurrency is, so do expect the dips in between as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long wait for us to hit the resistance target here of the 1 cent target, or even 0.008 cents, which is approximately 10 times of where it is at the moment, which I'm not expecting from Spell Token anytime soon. But by mid-year, we should be heading towards the resistance target here and potentially breaking out into the green zone in Q3 of 2023. But again, that's only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. However, anything can happen. Any major crash throughs or pumps or bull runs that come across or that I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Spell Token, guys. Hopefully we should be able to hit 1 cent target over the coming 4 to 5 months is what I'm expecting. It could be way earlier or way after, depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Spell Token to be hitting the 1 cent target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and a lot of negative comments around Spell Token. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.